attitude, definition, attitude in a sentence, attitude, pronunciation, attitude, meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of attitude. Attitude. A-tti-tude. Attitude. Attitude as a noun means a feeling about something. Common usages in academic writing: attitude towards, positive attitude, negative attitude. Example sentences: attitude, noun. Her attitude towards seeing a therapist changed little during her time at university. Example sentence number 2, individuals with positive attitudes were more likely to study voluntarily and for longer periods of time. Please write a sentence using attitude in the comment section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use attitude confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.